iOS 18's Apple Music's update introduces personalized new tab. Apple Music includes new options for discovering music directly in the iOS 18 New. However, for now, it only replaces the old Browse tab. It's introduced as precisely curated, specifically dependent on listening preferences of the user music experience. The new tab is something that means not just refreshed, but a personally tailored hub for your discoveries in music. The Apple's new tab has dynamic sections, such as latest songs, new releases, and updated playlists. The content is updated according to some tastes. It's not the same for everyone. First, editors from Apple Music select content across genres and then let algorithms tailor according to some people's tastes and practice. The combination of human expertise and AI recommendations creates a unique experience. The new tab is an integrated module adopted to adapt as per the listening habits of a user to present music that will suggest relevant songs, discover new artists and genres, and improve further exploration of music. Such updation with new mood stations further enriches the experience for the user. One gets the selection of curated playlists based on his moods, and recommendations are personalized based on his listening history. The benefits of New Tab are streamed music discovery, enhanced personalization, and user engagement. The New Tab is designed with the aim of Apple Music to continue perfecting services to make musicians look further into its method of music discovery more enjoyable than ever. Apple Music brings human expertise and algorithmic recommendations together in a peculiar experience that will set it apart and create a bond between the product and users.